In this tutorial we'll show you how to use a DEM, a digital elevation map, to extract the elevations for all the cities in Washington that I have specified. So you can see that I do have a point file with the Washington cities that I created previously. It's laid over the United States map showing just Washington, and this is from previously, just the air quality that we joined to it. Now, in order to do this, the first thing we need to do is go under Customize and Extensions and make sure that your Spatial Analyst box is checked here. Most of yours won't be, and so you have to make sure to check that in order to be able to use those spatial features there. So we'll close that. Now the next thing we're going to do is input our DEM map. So we'll go into Add Data from ArcGIS Online, and up in the top here we'll type in DEM, and this will bring up several 30-minute DEM maps from around the world. Down the bottom right here we have the 30 arc-second DEM of North America. That's the one we want to use, and we'll click Add, and that will come up over the map of Washington here. So you can see this DEM map. If I expand it here, it's going to give you a visual value, so the color corresponds directly with elevation, and this, as you can see here, is in meters. So anything that's below below sea level here at -43 or up to above 105 meters above is in blue, and then we get all the way up into the whites here where you're in 5,000 to 8,000 meters above sea level. So in order to extract these points, we're going to go into Arc Toolbox, and under the spatial analysis tools here, we'll open that up, and then we're going to go to Extraction, and under Extraction you have Extract Values to Points, and so we're going to extract the elevation values to the points using this DEM. And so we'll input the point features, which is the Washington cities, and we'll input the raster. Very simple. Just click OK, and that will take a second to extract those values. So now if I go into here, the extraction, and we'll click open the attribute table, you can see now that the if I close this in a little bit so you can see it all, sure enough at the end we have the raster value. So the raster value here is the elevation, and so we have elevations for certain ones of those. You can see that Wenatchee is higher than Seattle, and now we have this value in here for Port Angeles. In Port Angeles there wasn't a feature in there, so it went to -999, and that just shows that that did not come through clearly. So again, those are the ways that we have to input those features using a raster or a DEM to overlay those with elevations.